What you guys got another video? Microsoft just dropped a new taskbar for Windows 11. That's what we're going to be taking a look at today. We all know that the taskbar in Windows 11 is a bit limited. Microsoft are working on new versions of these taskbars, and they've just released a brand new one on the PowerToys that is owned by Microsoft. If you want to get your hands on it, all you need to do is open up the Microsoft Store and type PowerToys in the search box up the very top here, and this will allow you to download it. Inside here, there's going to be a brand new feature which you can use, which will work along the taskbar that we have right here. This is not an official fix or release from Microsoft to fix the current taskbar in Windows 11. This is an addition that you can add to that taskbar. So let's go ahead and download it and get it installed on the system, and we'll take a closer look at it in this video. So we're just going to let this finish off downloading. It's about 357 megabytes, as you can see there. So we're going to let that install now. It shouldn't take too long. We are on a virtual machine here, so it will be a little bit slower. But once this is done, we can open this up and take a look. Now, remember, this is in early access, so there might be a few bugs here and there on this particular version. Now, if you've never used Microsoft PowerToys before, it's an awesome package that Microsoft keep updating and keep releasing new features inside. It's got loads and loads of applications which are very, very useful for your day-to-day usage on Windows 11. So you can see right here, once you get to this panel right here, these are all the apps and tools that you can use inside this application. What you want to do is go to Command Palette right here, and I've circled it on the screen. Click on this and then go down to Settings on the bottom left hand corner. On Settings, you want to go to Dock Preview. You can see it says New. Click on Dock Preview and enable the Dock Preview by toggling on that switch right there. Now, the position that you want your actual taskbar will be on the position panel right here. You can choose whatever you like, whether it's left, top, right, or bottom. And I'll just quickly change this up so you can see it's on the left right now, and we'll now put it on the right, and we'll also put it on the bottom as well. Now, don't worry about the question marks there. It's because you need to click on them to activate them, because it doesn't know the CPU memory or the GPU right now. But when I click on them, it will actually display, and you can open it up. You can see we do have full display of what's going on with our computer. Let's put it up on the top for this video. Now, you can also have it as transparent here, or you can put it onto acrylic, depending on how you like yours. There's a background here, accent color, custom color, or image. You can change that right here. Not going to cover that in this video, but there they are right there. If you want to change those, you can do at your own leisure. So now we've got this set. You've got dark mode and light mode. I'll put it to dark mode here because it might be easier to see. But you'll notice on the left-hand panel here, we do have extensions. This is where you can toggle on and toggle off extensions like run commands, calculator, file search, bookmarks, and so on. You can turn on or turn off what you want on your particular taskbar. Now, you can also add more extensions as well if you want to do that. Down here, we've got all of our other little settings for the behavior. Now, what you can do on your main PC is hide your original taskbar down the bottom if you want to, and use the top taskbar if that's what you want to do, or just put that on the bottom and have it as a dual taskbar down the bottom. Gives you a bit more real estate down there, and I'll show you that a little bit later on. So here we now have dark mode enabled on the system. So let's quickly go to taskbar here, and I'm going to quickly just toggle these ones off here, and then we'll hide it as well. So let me just quickly toggle this widgets off, because that's annoying. And then what I'll do is I'll quickly go to taskbar behaviors, and I'll auto hide the taskbar. So this way it will just disappear like so, and we can concentrate on the top. But that's how we got it right now. So you can see there is the auto hide. It will suddenly hide. And now we can use the top and concentrate on that. Now, again, like I said, you can have this in any position on your desktop. Let's first start off with the left-hand button here. Search for apps, files, and commands. So you can use this like a command box, or you can search for things like, say, Notepad, and up it will come. And it's pretty fast, and it does find a lot of things very quickly. Now, if you want to look, say, for File Explorer, you can see it right there in the list, and you can also run your commands from here as well. It's on files and folders right now, but you can put it to folders or files. I've got it on both, and that is the options available right here. So you can use this a bit like your command center where you're typing in all of your commands into here to get up quick access to all the stuff that you want, and you can click on these and it will open these up as well. You also have another section right next to it, which is to do widget. That means you can find applications very, very quickly, and you can search for them right here, Firefox. And once you search for it, it should come up with a list. Remember, I'm on a virtual machine right here, and it will find the application, and you can just right click on that application and install it, or just install by clicking on the install, double clicking on it. It's entirely up to you how you go about doing it. But basically, once it finds it, right click, install. That's the way I'm going to do it. Or you can run a command from it by right clicking on it, and this will go ahead and download and install it onto the system. That simple. It's very Linux-esque, that particular type of search feature right there to install things, but again, it works pretty great. We also have all of our CPU memory, and also we have our GPU right there displayed, and time up the top. You can open up the dock right here. Let me put this on the side here so you can see it on the side. And I'm going to put this on the bottom as well, and just quickly change this auto hide again so you can see what it looks like as a dual taskbar here, where we have the original taskbar and this one on top of it. I'm pretty sure that Microsoft are going to fix and replace the bottom taskbar and make it much more manageable, where you can put that up on the top or the sides, because that's what they said they're going to be doing. And they are starting to roll out updates very, very soon. So over the next couple of months, you're probably going to see a lot of fixes for Windows 11. Because they are really pushing for change on Windows 11. Now, I know some people are pretty skeptical, but these people are just, haters of Microsoft, and they don't want to believe anything they say. I know Microsoft have promised things in the past, but you've got to give people the benefit of the doubt, and they know that it's a bit of a train wreck right now, and they are just working on fixing what they have here. So this is the actual settings here. Let me quickly put this on the bottom so you can see it as a dual taskbar here. So in the old days, you used to be able to extend your taskbar right up and have double. I used to do that myself, but that's how you can have it right here, and it should look something like this. Anyway, that's about it for this one. Just a very quick video. Check it out. I'll leave a link for it in the video description, or do a search on the Microsoft Store. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Just want to say a quick shout out to all my YouTube members who have joined my YouTube members group. I really do appreciate the support. Have a lovely weekend, and I shall catch you in the very next video. Bye for now.